Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to blur your background in your videos. How to blur backgrounds in your videos. How to blur backgrounds in your videos using Kinemaster. So without wasting much of our time, open your Kinemaster app and then tap on the create new button and then tap on the next button and then tap on images and then this. Before we continue, I would want to tell us something. If you are watching this video now and you want to learn how to use Kinemaster like a pro, if you're watching this video now and you want to cash out big using Kinemaster to edit and to create video ads, then this is the right YouTube channel for you. The only thing you'll be required of to do is to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so as to start your journey to becoming a pro in using Kinemaster to make more money. Alright, so let's continue. So I would love to add a picture of, better still, a video to this. Okay, so I've added the video as the background, the major background of this tutorial. So I would love to fit the video well, and then this is it. So if you want to blur your background, if you want to blur the background video, or you want to blur the background picture, or you want to put any text on a video and you don't want the video to be that visible, you want the text to be on top of the video, and then you want the video to be a little bit blur, you get, so that the major focus will be on the text or the message on top of the video. What you're just going to do is click on the player icon, click on effect, and then you should have downloaded it. If you have not downloaded it, just click on this shop icon on top here, and it's going to take you to Kinemaster Artist Store, the effect side of it. So it's loading. Okay, it just loaded. Alright, so you click on blur, download mosaic blur. Blur downloaded. So after downloading it, the next thing we are going to be doing is we are going to be adding the mosaic blur to the video, and then once you tap on the mosaic blur, expand it, make sure it covers the screen of the video or of your screen, and then after you've done that, click on the settings. After you've clicked on setting, reduce the strength of the blur to your desired want. So when you use rhombus for this second slider, when you use rhombus, it makes the video so blur, but when you use clear, it makes it a little bit sharp even after adding the blur effect. You get, so the video will look like after adding your mosaic blur. So without the mosaic blur, this is what the video is, and then after adding your mosaic blur, say we want to add a text on top of the video. Okay, let's say we want to write Apostle Joshua Selman. Once we're done writing it, we change the font to a better font. I prefer using Montserrat, it's my best. So after adding the text Apostle Joshua Selman, this is how it's going to look like. So to make it more professional, when adding your mosaic blur, please use an in animation and choose fade. Use in animation, choose fade. Use out animation, choose fade too. It makes it more professional. Now let's watch how it goes.
A rich man will rule over the poor, even if he's a poor.
Have you seen it? So let's take for instance, we just blurred the video so that this name can come up. So this is what you see.
A rich man will rule over the poor, even if he's a poor.
Have you seen it? You get it? So the way
a rich man will rule over the poor, even if he's a poor.
This is the best way to use if you want to blur your background using Kinemaster. Don't forget, download Mosaic Blur and download other effects, as many as possible, because you would be needing them one day, and then add it on top of the background video you've added, and then write whatsoever you want to write on top. This is the best and only way you can blur your background using Kinemaster. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell if you want to learn how to use Kinemaster like a pro, or you want to cash out big using Kinemaster. Don't forget, my name is Makin Kalu and I am the video god. Peace out.